Hey guys! If you're new here, my name is Ranjani. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about soft, glowy Mother's Day look. I had an event at my son's school. Since it's in the morning, I thought of going there like a flower. So I chose this soft, pink, glowy look. Without further delay, let's get into the video. I'm priming my face with Makeup Forever primer. I'm just applying it all over my face and blending it in. Let the primer sit in your skin for a couple of minutes so that your skin gets absorbed all the hydration we given through the primer. Wow, that's nice. I think I got this in a subscription box or something. For the foundation, I take Marc Jacobs foundation. I'm applying it all over my face and I'm blending with Beauty Blender. Make sure the Beauty Blender is damp. And coming to this foundation, I really loved it. The formula in this foundation is so light, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on your face. And whoever loves the dewy look, guys, go get this foundation right now. I'm thinking about purchasing it in full size. For my eyebrows, I have taken Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade and I'm just filling in the sparse area. This is not my shade actually. The lady at the Sephora recommended me a medium brown to dark brown shade, but I literally live for dark brows. Makeup is all about what you love, right? Yeah, I'm filling in the brows. Bold brows. Yeah. And blending it spoolie. For the concealer, I have taken Makeup Forever HD concealer and I'm applying a little amount under my eye. Using the flat brush, I'm applying under my eye and cleaning the border of the brows. Using the mini beauty blender, I'm blending in the concealer in my eyelid and under eye area. Just go upwards to give that lifted look. And I'm using the same concealer to highlight the high planes of my face. I'm setting the concealer with Mercier setting powder. Use very little amount, you guys. Whenever I apply more, I see how dry my skin gets. So apply very little amount. For this pinky look, I picked NYX Ultimate Edit and Heligal Nude palettes. I've picked the small shade as my transition shade and I'm blending with a medium blending brush in my crease. Just tap before you use to avoid the excess product. And I picked this hot pink from the NYX palette using this small blending brush and I'm intensifying the crease. I'm blending with a large blending brush to avoid any harsh lines. I took this cream color from LA Girl Nude palette using the flat brush, and I'm filling the inner hood of my eye. This just gives you like a pop of the color, and it's kind of brighten up your eyes and make it look bigger. I'm filling the same color in my brow bone, and do it on the other side too. Using the pencil brush, I'm taking the hot pink and applying in my lower lash line. Before I use my falsies, I'm gonna curl my lashes and coat a mascara. The one that I'm using today is Too Faced Better Than Love mascara, and I'm coating the lower lash too. Since today is no liner look, I'm just giving an extra coat of mascara to open up my eyes. For the highlighter, I've picked Benefit High Beam highlighter, and I'm applying it in the cheekbones. Since it's a cream highlighter, make sure it's well blended, and I really love this highlighter. It's kind of like blending your skin, and that gives that natural glow, and it makes you look like you're born with that. I'm applying in the bridge of my nose and I'm blending it, and I've taken a Stila liquid blush. It's kind of lightweight blush and it blends in your skin very well. You can see that natural glow. Together, the highlighter and the blush, it gives such a beautiful glow. For lips, I have taken Sephora liquid lipstick in a pink color. I know, they never pair pink eye and pink lip, but today I feel like doing it and I'm going for it. Yeah, you can do too. As I said, there are no rules. Explore, guys. After all, it's fun. I've taken the Cooler setting spray. It got some SPF in it. Since it's sunny here, I'm setting it with a SPF setting spray. I think we're done. Yay! It's the completed look. If you enjoy watching, please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. For your convenience, I have listed all the products I used in the description box below. Do check out and do follow me in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.